Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be walking you through TradingView's brand new volume footprint chart, a powerful tool for getting under the surface of price action so you can see not just where the market is moving, but how the volume is piling up at every price level. By the time we're done, you'll know not just how to load up the volume footprint chart, but also how to customize it and actually interpret what you're seeing on screen so you can make smarter, more confident trading decisions. Alright, let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you're on TradingView and you've logged into a premium account because this feature isn't available on the free plans just yet. Now direct your eyes to the very top of your TradingView workspace where you'll see the usual candles button. This is where you normally switch between candles, bars, Heikin, Ashi, but now click on that button and you'll notice a new option in the drop-down volume footprint. Go ahead and select that. If you're not on a premium plan, you'll just see a little lock icon, but if you are, you'll see your chart morph into something very different, with bars and numbers inside each candle. Now, before we break down what all these numbers mean, there's a quick but crucial tweak. You need to adjust your chart interval. By default, you might be on something like a 1-minute time frame, but here's the thing. On tiny time frames, the chart doesn't really have enough data to show meaningful volume values in those footprints. Instead, switch to a higher interval like 1 day or even 1 week. To do this, just click on the interval selector right next to your chart type, pick your desired time frame. You'll notice, just like using a microscope, zooming out to these higher intervals reveals so much more detail in the data. If you accidentally pick something like 1 minute, don't worry, just switch to a larger interval, and you'll instantly see all those footprints populating with real values. Next up, let's get a closer look at what's going on. Use your mouse to smoothly zoom in on the chart, just like you would on a map to focus on a specific street. When you zoom in, you'll see each candle or bar filled with numbers. These show the volume that traded at every price level within that bar. This is the heart of the footprint. It tells you not just the high and low, but literally how much buying and selling happened at distinct prices. If things look too cramped or you want more detail, right-click anywhere on the chart. You'll see new options to adjust the row size and ATR length, essentially letting you fine-tune how granular your footprint looks. Think of row size as zooming in on the stairs of the price ladder, and ATR length as how much price movement you want the chart to capture and highlight. Within that right-click menu, you can also customize the display and the type of footprint chart you're seeing. Maybe you prefer to see delta difference between buy and sell volume, or just straight-up totals. It's all there for you to experiment with and setting it up to match your trading style. Don't forget the color options too. Maybe you're more comfortable with reds and greens, or you want high contrast. Switching up the palette can make the data pop and just feel easier on your eyes during long sessions. So what does all this actually do for you? The volume footprint chart is like X-ray vision for the market. Instead of only seeing where prices moved, you're now able to spot exactly where at each level buyers and sellers were most active or where there was hesitation. For example, if you see a massive block of volume at one price and almost nothing above or below, you know that's a hot spot, maybe a resistance or support level that real money cares about. This insight can help you plan better entries, exits, or even predict potential reversals before the standard charts show them. It's an advanced tool, but with some practice, you'll start seeing patterns and stories hidden in the market data, giving you an edge over traders who only look at price. I hope this tutorial helped you unlock the power of TradingView's new volume footprint chart. If you learned something today, go ahead and hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Drop a comment if you have any questions or if there's another tool you want to master next. And as always, subscribe for more clear, actionable trading tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy trading.